Hello children, how are you? 2-3 days I couldn't produce any video due to some reason, but now I'm giving you continuously. I'll give you. So I was explaining about the bond pair and the lone pair. Okay, na? Bond pair, what I said, a pair of electrons that forms a bond, and lone pair, what I said, a pair of electrons that do not participate in bond formation, right? In that I give you some examples, some more examples of different elements I'm giving you like that, or the compounds. Like here, H2O. H2O, you see, oxygen is here, that you know, 6 in a outer cell, right? 2 here, 2 here, like 1 here, 1 here. And hydrogen is there 2. So you can put here hydrogen, you can put here hydrogen, right? And when these two combine, and here also hydrogen, and these two combine, so this forms that 2 bond pairs, right? And what will be the lone pair? It will be 2. See the next one, NH3. NH3, ammonia, right? This is what here? Nitrogen here. 2 suppose here. 1 hydrogen here. 1 hydrogen here. And 1 hydrogen here, right? So what is there? It is 3. So what will be here? That your lone pair, it will be only 1, right? Similarly, 3. Suppose CH4. CH4. In this, what will be there? You see, 4 of hydrogen. So carbon is here, and all over, like hydrogen here, carbon first you 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons is there. 1 hydrogen you could put here, right? 1 hydrogen here, 1 hydrogen here, and 1 hydrogen here. Now this 2 combines, right? Then these 2 combines, and form a pair. These are the lone pairs. So in this, what is there? In this, 4 bonds is there, bond pair, and lone pair is what? It is 0, because nothing is left behind. Similarly, number 4, right? CCl4. CCl4, right? So in that, what will be there? Look at here. C is there, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And chlorine. So chlorine will be what? 7 is there. 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7. Here also chlorine, right? 1, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Another chlorine is there. 1, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 6, and 1, 7. Now, what happened there? This combines, and 3 chlorine and 1 more chlorine will be here, right? So it will be what? 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7. So similarly, these 2 combines, right? And then these 2 combines, and then these 2 combines, right? So what is there in that? What you have seen here? 4 chlorine sets. So bond pair is 4, right? But here it will be 12, right? That number comes, right? Similarly, many examples are there that may come in your examination. So try to understand very clearly type of formulas. Like H2S, right? H2S is what? So hydrogen is 2, so sulfur is here, right? So sulfur 2, 4, 5, 6. and hydrogen is there. So here hydrogen, here hydrogen. So these two combines. Similarly, these two combine, right? So what will be there here? Bond pair. It will be 2, right? And lone pair, it will be what? Only 2, right? So similarly, sixth one you see, many of them are there. But try to understand a little bigger one also like that. Carbon dioxide, CO2. So oxygen is 2 there, right? So what will be there? Carbon. See here. Carbon means what? 2 here and 2 here. Oxygen is there. So oxygen, that you know, 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. Here also oxygen is there. 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. So these two combines, these two also combine. Here also these two will combine, and here. So what is there? That is what? Here 4. But the lone pair will be what? That is also 4. Right? Seventh one. See the little bigger one like that? That you could say C2H6. C2H6. Try to understand. Right. So 2 carbon is there. So put 1 carbon here and 1 carbon here. Right. So carbon, you know, 4 here. Here also that you know carbon is here. Right. Here also is there. Here also and here. And now hydrogen is 6. Right. So what will be there? Hydrogen 1 here. Hydrogen 1 here. Hydrogen 1 here. Right. Hydrogen 1 here, hydrogen 1 here, and hydrogen 1 here. So these all combines, these two combines, similarly these two combines. These all are combining and forming the bond. Right? So these all will give you the bond. Right? So what is that here? How many is there? Bond pair is what? Try to understand. It is what here? 7. Look at here. 4, 3, 3 and 1, 7. But your lone pair is what? 0. So like that, similarly, many of them are there. Right? Now, I'm going to give you some more, another example, but examples I have given you. Now I'm going to explain about the structure of ammonia molecules. Right? What is there? Structure of ammonia, right? Ammonia NH3 molecules, right? So this one is what? Try to understand. This is what? Tetrahedron, right? You could say tetrahedron. Tetrahedron. Now, about the ammonia I'm saying, so see, look at here, nitrogen, right? So nitrogen, see, 2 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, right? 1 hydrogen will be coming in this one. Right? 1 hydrogen you could say here, and 1 hydrogen you could say here. So these two, when it's combined, forms a bond. These two also forming a bond. This also forms a bond. But look at here. Here 2 is there. So this is delta minus is there. Right? So what happens? This structure is saying about that. Right? This is the this one is the delta plus, this also delta plus, this also delta plus. So this all are there. So ammonia, how it is had been formed, right? So look at here, 1 here, that is your hydrogen, that is your delta plus one hydrogen here. This is also delta plus one hydrogen here. That is also delta plus. Is it clear? So, and 2 is there, that is delta minus. Right. So these all are giving the net polarity is presented. This is what? This is net polarity, right, is presented. This one. Is it very clear? So simple. Okay. Now, what is that in ammonia molecule? You see that. You could write here in a ammonia right? Ammonia molecule. So I'm describing all this. There are 3 bond pairs. There are 3 bond pairs. Right? Of the electrons. Right? And 1 lone pair and 1 lone pair. Huh? That you have seen on the top. 1 lone pair of the electrons. Right? So, to minimize the, you could say, to minimize the electrons repulsion, electrons repulsion, you could say, right? Ammonia has a that pyramidal shapes, right? Pyramidal shape, right? So the 3 nitrogen these 3 nitrogen had that hydrogen bonds right are polar in, you could say, are polar in nature, right? And the polarity of the 3 bonds, right, make the new molecules pair right. These are making new pair in nature. Simple is there. If you go through there, you will understand more like that. Is it clear? So now I will be giving you next one. I'm going to explain about the coordinate bond. Right? Coordinate bond. What are the coordinate bonds are there? Try to understand. Right? Coordinate bonds are formed when one atom shares right? It's lone pair of the electrons and with another atoms. So it is a 1-1 side sharing, and which is contracted to a pseudo covalent bond, right? So see, what is covalent bond? Covalent bond, you could write like that, right? Coordinate bond is formed when one atom I'm writing that definition for that you can understand very easily, right? One atom shares its lone pair right of electrons, right, with the another atom, clear? So it is one sharing it is one sharing which is contrary to a pure covalent bond. Covalent bond, right? Right, where electrons are contributed, by both atoms. Is it clear? See that definition. Very clearly I have explained. Right. So today, up till here. Right. So please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you, children.